We're in Windows Phone 8.1. I'm going to show you a review of Adobe Photoshop Express. So let's go ahead and click that. It is a free program in the Windows Store. And we're going to go ahead and pick a picture from our camera roll. So let's click on camera roll, and then let's just highlight a picture that we'd like to make changes to. So we've got looks, adjustment, borders, crop, and red eye. Let's start with looks. So in looks, we have lots of different options here. We have the default, of course, that's there now. We can click on vibrant, which looks very good. We can click on autumn, spring. So there's lots of different looks here. There's inverted. So I kind of liked the first one, which was the vibrant one. So let's go with that. And then let's, if we want to undo that change, you can just click the undo button. But let's go ahead and do that. We also have some premium looks as well, things that actually cost money. So if you see a $ there, then that means it's going to be a premium look. So we have some additional ones here as well. So let's undo that, and let's go back to vibrant. And then we're going to hit the back button. And the back button will take us back to adjustments. So click on adjustments. All right, and now we have a few options here. We've got sharpen, which can't really tell in this small of a look, but maybe in a larger picture you can see. You have reduce noise. Now that one has a $ on it, so that one's going to cost money. Exposure, things like that. So if we click on that, you can go ahead and play with the exposure, and it makes it brighter, darker, that kind of thing. Then we have, let's see, let's scroll over here. Contrast, so we can increase or decrease the contrast. Highlights. And we have temperature, shadows, tint, things like that. We'll go with the tint, and you can see tint makes things more green or red. All right, so let's click on the back button again, and let's choose borders now. So borders basically affects the borders of the picture. So this is a vignette, which is in white, and then there's a vignette in black. Bevel black, a thin border. Of course, that's in white, so it's pretty obvious to see. Then there's the black version. And there's the circle black, vertical. Lots of different snapshot looking. Looks like an old Polaroid. Horizontal border. This looks like film. Halftone. This says dragged. That's kind of a cool one. Rough edges. So let's go with our original. Let's do our vignette in white. All right, so now we have our vignette. We've got our vibrant. We've got borders all set up. Let's go to crop. So cropping we can do several different ways. So first thing we can do is we can flip it. We can rotate it, make her upside down. Let's go ahead and keep that particular orientation. Let's click on rotate, and rotate works just like the flip type of a thing, but does it in a different direction. And then we have ratios. So our ratio we can choose based on the type of device we're in. If we want, we could choose a square, and we could choose to straighten. There we go. So since she does look like it's a little bit turned, we can do that, and then we can let's see, let's go back a little bit here. Let's go to crop, and then we're going to change the area that we're covering. That's it right there. So we move things over a little bit, and now we'll go ahead and save that. And there we go. There's our final picture. We can also choose red eye. Now, she doesn't have red eye in this particular one, but I'll show you how it works. So you click on red eye. You can choose the auto fix button, and if it finds it, then it fixes it. Or you can just tap on the eyes themselves, and then it'll fix it if it finds it. And then when you're done, you just click the check mark, and it saves it. So that is it for a review of Adobe Photoshop.